teachers, as you know, I'm older than dirt. I've been here forever and ever and ever. In previous times, it was doodling that disturbed learning at Logan High. Now the darkest of evils has swept our campus. It's student use of electronics, cell phones, iPods, MP3 players, all that stuff. We must rid ourselves of this evil, this that comes from Satan. Say yeah! 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 Over the past 3 or 4 years here at Logan High, we've had a problem with students, especially cell phones, going off in the midst of class as teachers are trying to provide instruction. That can be very, very disruptive. And so we as administration, along with the school leadership team, asked the logistics team, chaired by Randall J. Smith, to put together a cell phone electronics procedure.
The reason we need to have a electronics policy at Logan High School is because electronic device use has increased exponentially over the last little while. Here we go again. It's been really a problem when it comes time for classroom instruction. Mike! Alright, enough with the cell phones. I'm going to throw them all in the garbage, put them away! Kyle, get over here! You're disrupting! Since we've instituted this policy, the students are on task a lot more in my classroom, I've noticed, and I imagine in all classrooms, and there haven't been a lot of problems. This piece, The Gondoliers, by fame, who wrote this piece? Anybody know? Sullivan. Gilbert and Sullivan. We've done a lot of operettas. Okay.
One of the difficulties we've had in enforcing the cell phone electronics policy here at Logan High is some teachers are non-compliant. We've got to find a way to ensure compliance. If teachers choose not to comply with what the logistics team and the administration are asking them to do, then we're going to do things to them that they might not like.
And its lack of material success for black families, the rise of the Ku Klux Klan, and their belief that African civil rights need to be infringed upon. Morgan, I hope that's not a cell phone I see you're using.
Sorry.
I hope that you keep in mind the rise of Southern sharecropping.
Jason, I've had enough of this non-compliance. You come with me. If you don't comply, I'll take your beard. I've had it. I've had it. I've really had it. It'll be your beard or compliance.
Yes, yes. Morgan, I need your cell phone.
To ensure that teachers are complying with our cell phone policy / procedure, we've imposed a quota upon them. We expect that teachers turn in X number of cell phones or electronic devices during the school year, and at the end of the school year we will then re-examine, or we'll examine what they've done with their quotas, and if they haven't done what we think they should, they could be disciplined.
Quota, that dang quota. I don't know how I'm going to meet the cell phone quota. Stu is going to kill me if I don't get the quota of cell phones. I've got to find a way to get my quota for this month so I don't lose my retirement. I don't know what I'm going to do though.
Must be baseball night.
Give me your phone, T.
Whatever.
The teachers we thought who would be most adamant in enforcing the cell phone procedure here at Logan High, the so-called pre-race favorites, were Larry Williams, Bill Emmett, and Larry Comedina. And they've been very, very fervent and arduous in their enforcement of the policy. But a dark horse is coming up, coming up from the rear.
Oh, all right. You got the text message. All right, Jeff. Come on, it's you. Pull it out.
You serious?
Yeah, I'm dead serious.
Wow. Okay.
Ooh, who's Julie? Well, some of my techniques and tactics for taking students' phones, they're quite simple and not anything really too exciting. You know, it's just walking up next to a student. You can see the guilty look on their face. All you have to do is wait for long enough and they pull the phone out. As soon as you see it, all you have to do is take it. There's nothing really to it. And of course, being the new teacher, all the other teachers, they were talking about how, oh, she can't handle it. The electronics policy, she has no idea what she's doing. Classroom management alone, pff, she's lost. Little did they know that being a new teacher myself, of course I know cell phones. I feel cell phones. They're all about what I do. They think I'm here to teach literature, but no. It's all about finding the cell phones. I'm going to win that cup. It's going to be mine. All the other teachers, they're totally toast. I've already got about 50 turned in. Okay, so I'm going to give you a list of verbs, and you need to come up with a list of adverbs to describe these verbs. So, one being run. You're terrible students. Whitney! Hi! 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 Nice trick! I used to do that one in college, thanks!
No!
That's why they call me Snowball, the cell phone snatcher.
In order to promote teacher enforcement of the cell phone procedure, we've created a race for the cup, the cell phone cup. And the teacher who confiscates the most cell phones during the school year will win the cup. And the prize they'll win for winning the cup will be the funds that we generate from selling all the confiscated cell phones that we have collected over the school year, or they'll be able to choose one of those phones as their very own cell phone.
It's the new list. It's the new sheet. I'm getting up there on the standings. I need to get a couple more phones, so I gotta find some more targets. I need that new phone. Donna's keeping track of all these.
I got another phone. Yeah, that's great. Hey, I'll call you later. We'll have a long conversation. Sweet, thanks.
I've got some competition, but I'm getting up there. That dang Dersh. Yeah, I need to find some new phones somewhere.
Now that's our procedure as I understand it, and we'll enforce it. Now by the way, I think that's an electronic device.
Oh, what's in the phone?
Oh, my mom, you know.
You know the policy? What's the policy? What's the damn policy?